Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two statements about the scheduled backup of FortiManager are true? Choose 2. Option A. It does not back up firmware images saved on FortiManager. Option B. It can be configured using the CLI. Option C. It backs up all devices and the FortiGuard database. Option D. It supports FTP, SCP, and SFTP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. It does not back up firmware images saved on FortiManager. Option D. It supports FTP, SCP, and SFTP. Question 2. In addition to the default ADOMs, an administrator has created a new ADOM named Training for FortiGate Devices. The administrator sent a device registration request to FortiManager from a remote FortiGate. Given the administrator's actions, which statement is true? Option A. The FortiManager administrator must add the unauthorized device to the training ADOM using the Add Device wizard. Only. Option B. FortiGate will be added automatically to the default ADOM named FortiGate. Option C. FortiGate will be automatically added to the training ADOM. Option D. By default, the unauthorized FortiGate will appear in the root ADOM. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. By default, the unauthorized FortiGate will appear in the root ADOM. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.